Hey everybody, and welcome to a Power Rangers Gokai toy review. In my last video, I reviewed Rescue Bots. I'm not gonna read about that because Dad told me that. Anyway, I think I'm gonna start out with my favorite, the Jet. I like it because it can shoot, same as Gokai Race. Gokai Race is pretty nice, but yeah, that's that. This is the helmet. Parts forming. I'm not gonna read about that. When you transform this guy, you flip the wings down and then you take the helmet off. There you have Gokai Jet. Next one, we're gonna have Gokai Race. Gokai Race is pretty nice. But one problem I don't like about him, fist. They try to make it not look like a fist, but it already looks like a fist. But it's pretty cool. Shoots the Gokai Jet. To transform this guy, what you want to do is you want to flip the wheels around. You cannot do it from the top. It would just get blocked. It would just get blocked by that. So, flip it around from the bottom. Whoa. What's going on here? Alright. There you have Gokai Race. Not to the side. Next, we're going to look at yellow. Pretty nice. Gokai Trailer or Gokai Racer, Gokai Trailer, Gokai Racer. I don't know the exact names for these, but it's pretty nice. To transform it, flip the trailer ports up. You can't do it when it's in its like mode because it's basically like that. That's the bottom sections. These two things are heels. Next we're gonna look at the summary. Gokai Sub. Gokai Sub's pretty nice. Articulated mouth. Go outside. That's right. And transform this guy. What you want to do is you want to flip the mouth open. That's all you have to do. That's Gokai Peak. Next, we're going at the leader of them all. Go. Whoa. We're going to look at Gokai Carrier. Gokai Carrier is pretty nice. I don't know if these are the exact names, but I think I named all of them right, but I don't know. But Gokai Carrier, he's pretty nice. To transform this guy, what you want to do is you want to flip the little side panels, and then you want to flip the big side panels in, and then you want to flip the little sail down, and then you twist the big sail around like that. You want to fold that sail down like that, and you want to flip that sail up like that. Now let's combine. First, I would rather put the feet on. It's kind of hard for Gokai trick, so there we go. There we go. Well, that was. And next, what you want to do is you want to put the arms on like that. Then you want to separate the front of the boat. Then in the show, it could carry it and put it on his head, but you just take your hand and there's a clip in here and a slot in here. You make sure it's lined it up in there like that, and you click it on. There you have Gokai. So to transform back, you take off the helmet to Gokai. You flatten out the side doolalies for the head, and then you flip the front of the boat back where it was. You take off the arms, you flip out the wings to Gokai Jet, and then you place the helmet onto Gokai Jet. So there's that one. And now for the green one, what you want to do is you want to turn them around and flip on the wheels where they were. and the normal modes. So in the box, they came as Gokai, like I already showed you. With the arms, well, the green one was like what was over here, and the blue one was right there. So there you have Goku race done. Then we'll look trailer, the trailer, Goku race, Goku trailer. And since from Goku trailer, you just flip the trailer. Wait, no, not that. No, the trailer portion of forward to where it was. Then you have Goku trailer. For Goku sub, you just close up that side first, and you close up the other side like that. Then you have Goku sub. Next, we got the daddy of them all. The Transformers guy. Can't flip out that panel first, but that's not usual. Flip that panel up. You flip that forward and up and twist it around, and then you fold the little panel, the little sail up, and then you flip the side bladder up, and there you have it. Bye everyone.